I'm Sam with Papago Vans. I'd love to show you this Olympus tier build that we've just completed. As you can see, it has the Owl Van tire mount, the Owl Van Monster box. This is their XL box. There are exterior lights all around the perimeter of this van, the Pismo bumper, and up top is a light bar on the front of the van as well. We have the overhead shelf in here. We've installed a coffee nook in here for the customer. This is an upgraded refrigerator with an extra large freezer. This shower does have additional storage in here. This just slides out, super easy. There is a Dometic AC above the bed. This is a removable bed system, super easy to install and remove. Overhead storage right next to the microwave. Fresh water as well as the filtered water in this van. The extended counter. Join me around the back again. There is access to the fuses and on-off switch over here. Side lights, rear lights. All of the electrical is in this cupboard with a 33-gallon water tank. And of course, the outdoor shower. Thank you for joining me on this Van Tour Tuesday. We will see you next week.